The main entrance. There's two doors here in the front. And we go up the carpeted stairs. And we have the main open plan space here, living room, dining room, facing Western Ave, very sunny. There's also a pantry here to store food. All updated appliances since 2018. Ice maker, dishwasher, disposal, beautiful light here in the kitchen. Emergency stairwell door right here next to the fridge. And another pan view of this main hangout area. These are both closets right here. This is where the tankless water heater is here, so you have unlimited hot water, no matter how many people are showering. Another closet here. There's the bathroom on this floor. Nice tiles. Of course, a nice window. All updated. And then